Welcome back to SolidCam 3D. Today in this tutorial drawing we are going to create this ball bearing assembly. First we are going to create different parts and then going into the assembly mode and assemble this ball bearing. So let's start our design part. First I am choosing the front plane, then draw a center line. Then I am going to choose the center rectangle, give the relation vertical. Okay, then choose the smart dimensions. This length will be 53 and the upper length will be 65 and the total length of this triangle will be 31. In this we have to revolve both base. First there is a revolved cut in the inner side. For this choose first center line, draw a center line, then go to the center point arc and draw an arc, then go to the smart dimensions. This length will be 8. The radius of this curve will be 12. So okay, then trim the inner side portion and make relation to these lines equal and horizontal, then click OK. Now we can also use fillets of 2.1 on these two upper side, then click OK. Now exit the sketch, go to the revolved boss base and then give this axis, then click OK. Now this is our first part. We can also choose some sort of color. Choose this color, then I am going to next part. Again choose the front plane, sketch. Again first draw a center line, now I am going to draw this center line, then go to the center rectangle and draw a rectangle. This vertical relation, then give the smart dimensions. The distance between this will be 25. This distance will be 37. Now and the distance of this will be 31. Again we have to choose a center line, then again choose the center point arc. From this line, this point to this point. Again choose the trim command. First we have to give the dimension to this curve. Select this point and this point. The distance will be 8. The radius of this curve will be 12. Now all okay. Now go to the trim this unwanted portion, click OK, and select this line and this line to be equal and horizontal. Now click OK. Now exit the sketch. First, then there is a fillet of 2.1 at this corner and at this corner also. Now click OK. Now go to the revolved boss base, give this center reference, then click OK. Now our second part is also ready. Then we are going to move on next part. First we have to save the earlier parts, as we can say as outer ring. The next part will be inner ring, then the next part we have to again choose the front plane, sketch. Then I am going to draw a ball for this, starting from a line, draw a line going to backward, then create a curve and join this endpoint. Then smart dimension, this will be 24 and the radius of the curve will be 12. Now click OK. Now go to the revolved boss base, select this reference, now click OK. We can also choose the color of this ball. Now save this as ball. Now again on the last part, again choose part, front plane, normal, sketch. First we are going to draw two circles, give them smart dimensions. First circle of diameter 86 and the second circle will be the diameter will be 94. Now click OK. Exit the sketch, go to the extrude boss base and give the total dimension of 16. Now click OK. Now again choose this point, normal, sketch. Now again draw a circle, OK, smart dimension, this will be 90. Now first we have to choose a center line, draw a center line, then go to the line, draw a line and create a circle. Make some relation as this point to this circle will be coincident. Now click OK. Now give the dimension of this circle will be radius of 12 and diameter of 24. Now click OK. exit the sketch, then go to the revolved cut, give this reference. Now click OK. Now we have to fillet these two corners. Now choose fillet, set the dimension will be 2.1, select this corner and this corner. Now click OK. So we are going to say that we are choosing 8 number of pattern for this. For this, first select these 3 patterns, again choose this temporary axis, go to the circular pattern, and then choose this reference and give the total number of 8. Now click OK. As we can see, this pattern has been created. Now we have to create a pattern. Now we have to create a object like that are close the balls to each other. For this, first select this face, then this face, and then inner face, and select the shell command and give the dimension of 1.5. Then click OK. Now we have to create this sort of pattern. Now we have to normal sketch. As we can see this, now after we have chosen this cut revolved sketch, then go to the, then select this plane normal and sketch, then draw a line touching this circle, create a circle, give the dimension. The dimension will be diameter of 2. Now again choose this line and this line, give the total angle between these two lines will be 22.5. Now click OK. Go to the extrude cut, select this circle through all, click OK. Now as we can see, this circle has been created. Just temporary axis, and then go to the circular pattern. This extrude cut is already selected. Then choose this reference. As we can see this, there is 8 number of circles with 360-degree equal spacing. Now click OK. Assemble all these parts. First we have to save the last part with the name of ring, or we can see this, as we can see, give any name of this. So again choose assembling, insert components, choose all these components, now as we can see this, all the components are here in the assembly mode. Now we are going to assemble all these components. First select this upper face and select this inner face, matte, then click OK, and then going to the advanced mates and choose the width. Select this face, this face, this face, and this face. Now click OK. As you can see, this are two going inside. Now we have to choose this ball going to float, and choose this ball and choose the inner portion and matte. As we can see, this flip matte alignment, this is going to be tangent to this. Now click OK. As you can see, this we have to select this part, fix, to revolve this ball around this inner ring. So for this, then again we have to choose the temporary axis, choose this center axis and this center axis, and select mate. Click OK. As you can see, this these are going to matte, and then select this face. Sorry, first we have to delete this. Click OK, then choose this face and choose this ball, then again choose matte. Now again, as we can see, this is going to perfectly matte. Then going, as we can see, this there is 8 number of patterns of this ball. For this we have to choose this ball, go to the circular pattern, choose this reference, choose this reference and give the total number of 8 balls. Now click OK. As you can see, this there is 8 number of balls has been created. Now we have to mirror this on the other side. For this we have to select this ring, going to the mirror option, select this face, go to next. As you can see, this has been mirrored on the other side. Now unhide this temporary axis. Now as you can see, this all the components are going to assemble. Then at last we are going to choose and create some sort of rivets around these. For this, insert components, click this component, open, and select at this point. Now we have to create 8 number of pattern. For this, first choose the temporary axis, then go to the circular pattern, choose this body, choose the reference point to be this, give the total number of 8 pattern. Now click OK. So as we can see, this our ball bearing assembly has been created. Hope you enjoy this video. For more videos you can subscribe my YouTube channel SolidCam 3D. Thanks for watching. We will meet next time.